y'all, hope you're having an amazing summer. Get dressed with me to go to the lake. Here's the pants. It's like this cute, like half whitewashed, half dark washed. You leave in like 5 minutes. Anyway, less than that actually. I'm wearing this cute pink tank top that my friend gave me. Also, I have to mow the lake lot, so I have to wear nice mowing shoes and bring flip-flops. Anyways, y'all, here's the fit. Let's work on hair. Guys, it has genuinely been weeks since I've sat down here and done a video. Speaking of which, all the Peru content is all in my phone, in my camera roll, and it's just waiting to come out. It's just, I'm also doing summer school, and I'm catching up from 2 weeks of not being here. And I'm so busy that I actually have to drop a class. I'm probably gonna end up dropping my personal finance class, and then because all I'm doing is it for extra credits, like so I don't have to do it during the school year, which is nice. So I'm gonna do this claw clip. We're just gonna put on like small gold hoops just because it's the lake, so I'm trying to be like very natural. And lip gloss, and I am gonna take these to the lake. Okay, these are gonna be my mowing shoes. I love these so much, but I mowed in them once and now they're ruined. Anyways, so these are gonna be my mowing shoes, and I'm gonna pack flip-flops for extras. Red, white, and blue. Doing 4th of July. Ironically, I got these in Peru because I needed shower shoes. And sunglasses. And here's the final lake fit. Love you guys so much. Bye.